everyone, this is me Kareena back with a new video, and in today's video I'll show you how you can shave your face. So for some people and some girls it's kind of strange and weird, like girls shaving their face and all, but trust me, it's very effective and yet so effortless, and there's nothing bad about shaving your face. So in this video I'll elaborate more about shaving a girl's face, also demonstrate how I shave my face in general. So basically मैं अपना face shave नहीं करती थी. I used to wax sometimes, like not even that often, but rarely. Till date I might have waxed my face twice or thrice maybe, but I always knew that waxing does lose your skin. छोटे छोटे bumps आ जाते थे skin में, like acne kind of. बहुत सारे स्किन में यहाँ पे भर जाते थे मेरे, इसलिए I left waxing and I've heard a lot about shaving. I was wondering if I should give it a try. So here I am. I've tried it once, last week I guess. Yeah, last week I shaved my face once and I felt like it's kind of interesting to shave your face. So I thought of making a video for you guys. अभी मैंने recently ही shave किया था मेरा face, इसलिए मेरे face में ज़्यादा भी hair growth नहीं हुए हैं. But then too, I just wanted to show you how you can shave. So yeah, there are many ways and methods to remove your facial hair. Like there are hair removal creams, laser treatment, waxing, etc, etc. But I think shaving is the most easy, quick and effective way to remove your facial hair. तो आप जब भी shaving करते हो तो आपका स्किन बहुत ज़्यादा सॉफ्ट और स्मूथ हो जाता है, जिससे आप जब भी मेकअप करते हो तो आपका जो मेकअप एप्लीकेशन है वो बहुत ज़्यादा इजी हो जाता है. आपका जो फाउंडेशन रहता है वो ज़्यादा केकी नहीं लगता एंड योर मेकअप लुक्स वेरी फ्लॉलेस, लाइक इट लुक्स वेरी स्मूथ. और आपके स्किन में अगर हेयर नहीं होते हैं तो आप जब भी मेकअप लगाते हो तो आपका मेकअप ज्यादा क्रीज भी नहीं होता. पीपल हैव अ लॉट ऑफ मिसकंसेप्शन अबाउट शेविंग देयर फेस. लाइक देयर आर मेनी पीपल आस्किंग दैट आप अगर अपने फेस को शेव करते हो तो आपका जो हेयर है वो ज्यादा थिक एंड घना निकलता है, बट दैट इज एब्सोल्युटली 100% फॉल्स. आफ्टर शेविंग योर फेस आपके जो फेशियल हेयर है वो नॉर्मल ही ग्रो करते हैं, लेकिन जब आप शेव करते हो आपके जो स्किन के ऊपर का हेयर है वो शेविंग सिर्फ उसे ही रिमूव करता है. आपका जो हेयर ग्रोथ होता है वो रूट से नहीं होता, आपका हेयर ग्रोथ ऊपर से होता है, इसलिए आपका हेयर थोड़ा पोकी रहता है, बट देन इट डज नॉट मेक्स योर हेयर ग्रोथ थिक or rough or anything. So some of the people ask that after shaving your face, does your facial hair grows faster? Of course it does, because when you wax your face, it removes your hair from the root. तो रूट से वापस ग्रो होने टाइम लगता है हेयर को, एंड व्हेन यू शेव योर फेस वो सिर्फ स्किन के ऊपर के पार्ट को रिमूव करता है, देयरफॉर इट ग्रोज फास्टर एज कम्पेयर टू वैक्सिंग. एंड द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज व्हिच रेजर यू यूज. यू डू नॉट हैव टू यूज अ रेगुलर रेजर और एनीथिंग, नॉट एट ऑल. यू हैव टू यूज दिस आईब्रो रेजर्स which I got lately from beauty center. You do not have to use the razor which you usually shave your hands with or legs, so it has a lot of benefits if you see. Also now I will shave my face, I guess, on camera, so that's a big deal. So you should definitely go and like my video. So one more thing you have to remember is when you're using these razors, these are disposable razors. So after using it twice or thrice, you have to throw these razors because it becomes unhygienic. Otherwise your skin will start breaking out and it will affect your skin. Or any men's razor, you just have to use the eyebrow razor for your face. For shaving your face, some people like to उनको थोड़ा पानी लगाना अच्छा लगता है, या फिर दे अप्लाई मॉइस्चराइजर, ऑयल और एनी काइंड ऑफ क्रीम बिफोर शेविंग. मैं कुछ नहीं अप्लाई करती. मैंने अभी फेस वॉश किया है, मैंने आईब्रो किया है, आई लैश बस एंड लिपस्टिक बस, एंड माई स्किन इज ऑल क्लीन. And I will directly shave my face. You can try what suits you. If it suits you with the cream or without the cream, or with the water or without the water. I'll just start with my clean face. So I haven't applied anything on my face. You can see how bad my skin is, but I guess it's okay. No one is perfect. So you can see I have the scars here and here because I had pimples lately and it left me the scars. But anyways, I don't have any problem with that. आपको जहाँ से comfortable लगे आप वहाँ से start कर सकते हो. But I start from here. Remember this point, you do not have to shave your face upward. You have to shave it downward and hold the razor like this in this angle and start shaving it. I'll show you. Do not place it straight, otherwise you will cut yourself. And if you want to keep sideburns, up to you. I keep this much sideburn and I'll start एक टाइम में पूरा नहीं निकाल सकते हो, आपको 2-3 बार ऐसे करते रहना है. एंड यू हैव टू बी वेरी जेंटल. यू डू नॉट हैव टू ऐसे जोर जोर से नहीं करना बिकॉज इट विल इरिटेट योर स्किन. I don't know if you can see, of course you can't see. I can see the small hairs and the dead skin. It removes a slight layer of your skin. With that, it reduces your dark spot, pigmentation and acne scars if you have. Also, it makes your skin very glowy, and it also tends to make your skin look lighter than usual. Shaving just takes 5 to 6 minutes to shave your face, whereas if you wax, it will take hell lot of time. It's so funny that I can see my small hairs flying around me. It has small hairs and dead skins. And it totally depends on you if you want to do your upper lips and right here in the chin. I think I'll do, it's okay I guess. Shaving your face has a lot of benefits. Like, आप जब भी शेव करते हो अपने स्किन को तो ऊपर का जो लेयर होता है वो रिमूव हो जाता है. The dead skin gets removed. And when you shave your forehead, make sure you don't shave your eyebrow. So I'll just show you. Because of removal of the dead skin, your skin becomes very soft and it glows. Monthly you can do it once or twice. There is no hair in your nose, but still to remove the dead skin cells, I'll do it roughly, little bit. I'll just wash it and keep it for one more use. So yeah, here I am done with shaving my face, and my face skin feels a lot more better than before. It feels very smooth and clean. So yeah, this is how you can shave your face. I hope I helped you. If you have any questions related to this, or you have any suggestion, you want me to do any kind of video, let me know in the comment section down below. I'll do it for you guys. Love you guys so much for being a part of my journey, and also happy new year. I hope this year brings you infinite happiness and joy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such interesting videos like this. See you all guys in my next video. Ta-da!